Hello everyone. In this video we'll be talking about a 7-day hair growth challenge. If you are following me over Instagram, you must be knowing that I had made a poll about which solution do you need first. I'll be doing both the solution this week, but as hair growth had more votes, so I'll be talking about hair growth first. Before that, I'll be saying about something I wanted to share. When lockdown started, I had cut my hairs up to this, and within a span of 2 to 3 months I had started getting this much of hair growth, as you can see. So this was because I was following a particular routine that I am going to share it with you. So I'll be showing a trick that has to be followed before sleep every day, and a serum that you need to apply every day. Apart from that, I'll be showing some of the hacks or tips and tricks that you need to follow if you really want to get rid of your hair fall and have a faster hair growth. So let's get started. Now, as you have seen how to prepare the serum and apply it on your scalp, now I'll be talking about few of the tips and tricks that you need to follow in order to have a faster hair growth. Starting with the curry leaves. When you wake up in an empty stomach, try to eat 4 to 5 raw curry leaves by chewing it out. Don't throw it or spit it. It may feel something odd, but it really works. I had started eating it, and if you are a person who is not accessible to fresh curry leaves every day, then you can do one thing. Get the curry leaves, get a bunch of curry leaves, dry them out in microwave or sun dry it, better sun dry it, and then grind it to make a fine powder and add it to buttermilk every day and then drink it out. Buttermilk also has some of the vitamin B12 and it has a natural biotin that helps you to get good hair growth. So this is one trick. Second trick is a exercise that you need to do every day before going to sleep. That is inversion method and massaging method. I'll be showing you how to do that. Third one is to avoid any kind of harsh chemical shampoos that you use on your head, and instead start using something that is totally natural and will help you to get rid of all your scalp infections, all your problems, and will help you to get faster hair growth. Some people have slow hair growth naturally, and some people have faster hair growth naturally, and some people have normal hair. I have faster hair growth because if I check my nails or my eyebrows, it starts growing within 2 to 3 days. I have to cut my nails every week. This shows that I am having a faster growth of my dead cells. Anyways, so what you need to do is, if you are not having a faster hair growth, you need to boost it up. Try drinking ginger tea, guava leaves tea. Else you can drink the kadha, that will help you to boost your immunity as well as help you to grow your hair, such as the kadha made up of ginger and then tulsi and cardamom and all. I will recommend to drink ginger tea especially because it will help you to grow your hair faster, and guava leaf tea also. And last but not the least, if you are using some comb that is made up of cheap plastic, and if you are seeing something like your hair is getting more frizzy because of your comb, try to change it. If you are unable to change it and you are unable to get a wooden comb for yourself, you can do one thing. You can apply a little amount of oil on that comb and start using it on your head, so that it won't make your hair frizzy and it will smoothen down your hair. That is important, else you will start getting more and more hair fall even after you are having a good hair growth. You only wanted, that is not to comb your hair when it is wet. I know many people use it as a styling purpose and they comb it when the hair is wet, but it is not at all good for your hair. So let it dry and then start using it, using any kind of styler you want, and try to sun dry your hair or fan dry your hair, but never use a blow dryer. I have a blow dryer, but I use it only when I have some emergency. Else I just go to our balcony and dry down my hair. That is, I don't use any kind of special styling product or heating product on my hair, because that will only help to get your hair bad and worse. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then, bye bye. That is it for the video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you for watching.